Hello everybody, this is just a quick video going over this new project. I don't think I've made a proper video going over the entire thing yet, just little bits and pieces as they're coming off the printer. But yeah, it's a pistol. It's a pistol with a T prime on the back. Just pull this back 65 millimeters, more or less there. Catches, and then you pull the trigger and it fires. And it takes silly shells in the front. There's a little shell carriage in the front with a little finger groove to pop them out. But yeah, the shells just kind of pop in from the top, go like that. Just flexes the plastic a little bit, and then it holds it in place nicely. Then there's an O-ring seal at the back. It has two threaded rods going down the entire side, or each side of the blaster, like that. And yeah, pretty simple little thing. Yeah, 65 millimeter prime is the same as the silly pistol and the slab and the fox bat. So yeah, it's got a decent little chunk of power behind it. It has 4-inch K25 or Talon Claw springs or Lynx springs, just like those other blasters. Has new grip geometry that I haven't had on other printed blasters before. I modeled this for the HPA project, but I decided to use it on this project so I could test it out before the HPA project is done. So this is just, new shape, new way of printing. It prints flat in 2 halves with some supports in there. Nothing too bad, pretty easy to clean up. And then it just kind of screws together. And I actually have it printed here next to me. It's the first part that I printed out of this design, and it feels really pretty good. Quite happy with it. Haven't printed the trigger yet, but that should feel pretty nice as well. And yeah, simple little thing. And then you can see in here, it attaches with just 2 screws, one there and one there. But it does have this giant wedge in the grip. So that's what actually holds it in place, is this giant wedge with this big pointy bit in it. And that should be plenty of structure for this little blaster. So this should be pretty fun. I'm printing it right now across the room. You might be able to hear the printer running. But yeah, this is what I've been working on. And yeah, it's good. Quite happy with it. You can see the top rail is dovetailed on with those bits. And it does actually have built-in iron sights as well. So you can see here, got 2 little sight wings, I guess, there, and then a gutter down the middle. So you kind of aim at it like that. I didn't want to put a front sight up here because then you couldn't do like printed slide-on Picatinny attachments where they need to slide on from one end of the rail. If both ends of the rail are covered, you can't use those. So I decided to leave off the front sight and just have a gutter. Should be plenty good enough for a small pistol like this. But yeah, this is the pistol. This is what I've been working on. It's pretty good, and it's printing right now. And it should let me finally test silly shells and get them like fully good and ready for not quite release yet, because I have some other blasters to work on, but pretty good. If you have any name recommendations for this, let me know. What does this face say to you? This face right here. What does it say?